Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a new advertising account. So for example, if your old advertising account is disabled, for those who don't know, you may come to the business manager, the ad manager, for example. You want to create an advert like this, and you are seeing something like what I'm seeing here. You logged into your Facebook, like what I'm seeing. Then you went to the ad manager so that maybe you can create an advert. And unfortunately, you are disabled. There are several types of restrictions. If you see, we have disabled your ad account to protect your personal and financial info. To run ads again, you will need to fill in a form to request a review. In fact, I've done a detailed video on how to appeal for this type of restriction. This is a restriction relating to payment. So if you want to watch that video on how to resolve this type of restriction, you can check the link above. Okay. Now, there are some cases where you will appeal and resolve and try to resolve the restriction. Maybe it doesn't work. So that's why you have the option to create a new advertising account if that doesn't work. And that happens if it is ad account disabled. Now, if your ad account is disabled relating to policy violation or identity confirmation, I have done the video that can also solve that problem. Then you can check the link above for that video. Okay. Now, if all those ones don't work and you have to create a new ad account, this is how to do it. You will come to the ad manager, just like the place I am now. Then you will click on these three lines here. You see tools. Okay. So you click on business settings. If you click on business settings and you don't have a business account. In fact, if you have a business, if you click on business settings, if you have a business account, it will take you to your business manager so that you can create a new advertising account. Okay. However, if you don't have a business manager, if you click on business settings, it will take you to this interface where you'll be asked to create a new business manager. So when you click on business settings, it will bring you here if you don't have a business manager account. However, if you have a business manager account, it will take you to the business settings. Now, I want to show you how to create a new business manager. After we create the business manager, we will go ahead to the business settings to now create a new advertising account, because you can't create a new ad account without a business manager. Now, go to this particular site, business.facebook.com/overview. If you go to that URL, you will have the option to create a business manager. So you'll be asked to put your business name, and then you put your email. So you put your email, and then you put your business name and your name. After you put those details, you click on submit. If it is created, you click on done. You will be asked to confirm your email. Okay, so we are now in the, what do you call it, the business home. Let's go to the business settings. So if we click on business settings now, see where it's taking us to. You see, it has brought us now to the business settings where we can create an ad account. So to create an ad account, you click on add. So create new. Then we put the ad account name. Then choose the time zone and the currency. Then you click next. And then you create. Then you give access to yourself and turn on all the controls and assign. Then we are done creating a new ad account. So when we come, they are asking whether our ad account focus on politics or issues of national importance or whatsoever. So we are not doing politics, so no. Yeah. So we have our new ad account where we can create ads, campaigns, and whatever we want to do. We can create our ad campaigns here. So we can create our ad campaigns and all that. So basically, this is exactly how to create a new business manager and a new ad account. Thank you for watching. If you have followed this procedure and you are not able to create a new business manager or ad account, leave your comments in the comment section. I will follow up to help you. You can also follow the WhatsApp link to WhatsApp me to book for a Zoom call so that I can help you solve all those your advertising restrictions and then your advertising issues. If you are also advertising and you are not making enough sales or it's not effective, I will help you resolve all that. Thank you once again for watching and see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and we will, anytime I publish a video, you'll be the first to see it. Bye-bye.